Okay, so today we'll be installing some bonnet clips. Gonna change these to the one that can lock with the key. So we'll be installing those now. So you can see what's going on with that. Here we have them. So we'll be installing these just about now. You have the bonnet lock, and then you have some screws, and then you have this is what actually go under here to lock that, and then we have some keys. So that's about it. It should be pretty easy because I had a bonnet lock already, so this is going to go exactly where I had that one. Alright, so let's get to work. Alright, so the first thing we're actually going to do is just remove these. I'm going to remove them and remove the clip as well. So we're going to take this off and then start mocking up. Okay, so I got the ones removed from the car. Those are removed. Now what I'm going to do is just put this on the car and just mark it out. Just mark it out to get where I'm going to cut it. So from I cut it, I can just install it. So I'm just going to do that now. Just get it marked out, and so I can get some cutting going. This is actually the first cutout. So we just have to do the next one, then we put in the screws, and that would basically be it. Okay, so just got them cut out. Just got them cut out and thing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use some rivets. These are too short. They're a little bit too short, so I don't want to use these. So what I'm going to do is just use some rivets and use the drill, bore these and just rivet. And from there, I just line it up different. Looking good so far. is how it looks, the finishing of the bonnet. See, it's better to use the rivet for me. The rivet is better to use. Yeah. So I'm just going to bore this side now and rivet up this side. Okay, so went ahead and cut. I just cut off a piece of this, the lock. It was too tall. So this is actually the next side. Went ahead and did one side already. Just have to cut it. Just have to cut it so that it can fit, bolt it down. Everything work perfect from there. So what I'm going to do is just do this side. Just cut here, screw it in, that the lock can get to go through here to lock it. And that's basically it. Alright, so I'm going to cut off a piece of this now. See what is what. Okay, so we just got everything set up. So it is. So that's about it. Everything locked properly. So that's about it. As usual, thanks for watching.